is for, what's that?
Q for.
What's Q for? What is the letter Q? What's the picture under the letter Q? What's that for? Marcus, get off her. What's Q for? What's that? What is that?
Barack Obama.
Barack Obama?
Yeah.
You sure? What's that, DeMarcus?
Barack Obama.
That's Barack Obama?
Yeah, look.
Okay.